is Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is going to be the very trendy summer mass proof makeup look. I have tried to use minimal products so that every product is easily available. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. First things first, it's very important to keep your lips very hydrated. So here I'm using this lip balm from Hilary Road, and I'm simply going to moisturize my lips using this lip balm. It is very important to take care of your lips even during summers. Yes, you heard me right. Now I'm going to moisturize my face, and the one that I'm using is by Sebamed. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. After you're done with your moisturizer, it is very important to keep it on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes and have some water till then. Now I'm going to use this sunscreen by Neutrogena, and this sunscreen leaves a shiny cast on your face, not a white cast, a shiny cast. This was the first time that I used it on my face. Also, I am applying it on my dark circles as well, because we usually forget applying a sunscreen on our dark circles. Now just massage your face very nicely and apply the sunscreen on your entire face. Now you can see that there's a shiny cast on my face, and this is something that I didn't like about this product, because it makes your skin look very oily, but after a while your skin starts looking very normal. Now I'm going to use two of my very favorite products. I'm going to take this MAC Strobe cream and I'm going to mix it with my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer, and I'm not going to directly apply the concealer. I'm going to mix the two products and then apply it on my skin. This gives you a very natural sort of effect, and your face doesn't look like it has a lot of product on it. We are not using a foundation in this makeup look, hence you can apply this base on your entire skin. Now I'm taking my beauty sponge and I am going to dab the entire product on my face. Now I'm taking little more product and applying it on my dark circles, because I feel that I have a lot of dark circles and I need to conceal it properly. So I'm just taking a little more product. And I've also applied it on my eyelids, because we are going to use an eyeshadow and the base needs to be really good. The next step is a loose powder, and I feel we shouldn't miss this step, because this is the product that is going to hold the entire makeup together, especially during summers when we are going to sweat so much. I am taking very little bit of product on my fingertip and applying it on my face, and then I am going to use a brush to apply it all over my face. Now using a fluffy brush, I am going to spread that product all over my face. Now I'm using this palette by Wet n Wild, and it is just for 499 rupees, the best eyeshadow palette a beginner can own. I'm using my finger to apply the eyeshadow on my eyelids, and I feel if you do not have a brush, your fingers can do the best job. Now to open up my eyes, I am using this Plump Goodness Kajal, and I'm applying the product above my lash line just to make my eyes look a lot bigger and fresh. You need not be very perfect while applying the kajal, because in the next time I'm going to use a brush and smudge it. Now using a flat brush, I'm going to smudge the kajal to give it a very natural sort of look. Now I'm simply applying the same kajal on my lower lash line. Now it's time to open up your eyes and apply a mascara. I'm using my very favorite one from Maybelline. Now I'm using this setting spray by NYX and a spoolie. I am going to spray the setting spray on the spoolie and I am going to do my eyebrows using it. I have mentioned it in multiple videos that I do not own a separate product for my eyebrows. So I use hacks like these to make my eyebrows look very natural. I always use a blush before I step out. Now it's time to apply a lip liner, and this one's by PAC. I bought it just for 200 rupees. Also this one's in the shade Mauve. Now mixing two lipsticks as I always do and applying this one by Maybelline, and the other one that I'm going to use is a plump shade and it's from Lakme. Here I'm going to use a hack that my friend always does, and she told me that she always does this to make her lipsticks last longer. I am taking this powder, and this is a baby powder by Johnson's, and you can use any talcum powder that you have, and this hack actually works. Tada, we are ready, and this was our summer mask proof makeup look, and we can confidently step out of our house without worrying about any makeup coming off from our face. And girls, do not forget to wear your mask because we really need to do that. So guys, that's all from my side. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. I will see you next time with another video. Bye.